Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with power and connections. Do this now. First, shut down, unplug, and ground yourself. Then confirm the PSU cables are fully seated into the GPU. Once done, reseat the card in the PCIe X16 slot and tighten screws to avoid flex. Make sure the monitor uses the GPU output and the input source is correct. If fans won't spin, listen for clicks. This helps determine whether power, seating, or the PSU is at fault, so you stay efficient. Next, address drivers and software. Boot into safe mode because you want a clean environment, then run display driver uninstaller to remove remnants from previous installs. After a reboot, install the latest official driver from the GPU vendor that matches your exact model and OS. Make sure Windows updates are current and check Device Manager for error codes. Right-click the GPU to view status. If a driver refuses to install, try an older stable release. Sometimes the newest build introduces regressions. Finally, validate hardware under load. Boot normally, then run a short stress test like FurMark to reveal artifacts, crashes, or thermal throttling. Watch temps and fan curves closely. If temperatures exceed safe limits, clean heatsink fins and consider reapplying thermal paste. If power draw is erratic, test a spare PSU. Once you've narrowed it down, try the GPU in another PC to confirm failure. If it still fails, contact the manufacturer for RMA. And if something goes wrong, check event logs for error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.